Hi everybody, welcome back to ASEAN Keto's Kitchen. Hari ni we are going to be cooking the most delicious, cheesy, gooey ever cheese naan. Now, we are going to be using this low carb paratha as our naan. Kita akan gunakan chopped parsley, roasted garlic yang dah di mash, dan juga a combination of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And we are going to be using butter chicken. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to soak this with boiling water and leave it to rest. Kak Lina akan share satu tip macam mana nak masak this beautiful cheese naan and using a pan sahaja. Kita tak guna oven. And I'll show you a trick on how to make this delicious dish. Okay, let's start cooking. Mula-mula kita letak a bit of oil, sedikit aja. Then kita ambil the low carb paratha. And this is my tip untuk masak low carb paratha. You ambil tudung periuk, whatever yang you ada kat rumah you, and cover. Because what it does is actually distribute the heat evenly and it will make it easy to flip. About 2 minutes, then dah nampak asap tu, we flip it. So kita ambil a little bit of garlic dan kita spreadkan dia sikit je. Kan, spread a bit of garlic. Kita letak cheese. And cara kita susun cheese tu, kita letakkan cheese tu on one side. Sebab kita nak buat naan ni, dia macam calzone tau, macam curry puff bentuk dia. I like to add a little bit of parsley, sedikit sahaja. Dan kita tutup sebab kita nak bagi cheese tu melt. And we will put it covered like this for about 2 minutes. Medium fire until the cheese all melted. So now our cheese already melted and it's ready to be served. So sekarang ni kita going to buka this butter chicken yang we already soak in hot water. Sedapnya butter chicken ni. Dan ini adalah butter chicken yang kita dah tuang ke dalam bekas together with the cheese naan that we made just now. And I hope you enjoy this dish with the whole family.